After helping dozens of investors, I've identified the 4 must-have criteria for any rental property investment. I'm Susan Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. And if you watch and enjoy this video, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for more Susquehanna Valley real estate news and advice. Now, back to the 4 criteria. Number 1, location determines everything. You want strong rental demand near employment centers, universities, or transit systems. Always research vacancy rates. High vacancy means trouble, but low vacancy means you can command higher rents. Number 2, run the numbers carefully. Your monthly rent should equal about 1% of the purchase price as a quick test. Number 3, property condition matters more than you think. A bargain price means nothing if you're constantly paying for repairs. I've seen beautiful deals turn into money pits because investors skipped the inspection. Number 4, work with an investment experienced agent who understands cash flow analysis and can spot red flags. The right agent brings you opportunities others miss and helps you avoid expensive mistakes. Ready to find your first great rental property? Let's start analyzing opportunities in our local market.